Hi guys! Today we're going to learn about numbers and colors. Yellow. Peppa Pig. Number 1. Pink Peppa Pig. Close hand. Number 2. A green Peppa Pig. Green Peppa Pig. It turned into number 3. Purple Peppa Pig. And it turned into a purple 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more and makes 5. This is an orange Peppa Pig. This is a turn it into a 5. This is a blue Peppa Pig. Turn it into a 6. Now we have 1, 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look at the green Peppa Pig. Again, a green one again. Green Peppa Pig. Turn it into number 7. Want to see? We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a blue Peppa Pig. Turn it into 8.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay.
Now we have a red Peppa Pig. Turn it into 9. Now we have yellow Peppa Pig. Turn it into 10. 1 0 is 10. 10. Now we have a green Peppa Pig again. Turn it into 11. 1 and 1 is 11. Like it. 1 and 1. Listen. Now we have a pink Peppa Pig. Pink. Turn it into 12. 12. And we have an orange Peppa Pig. Turn it into 13. Now we have a purple Peppa Pig. Turn it into 14. The 1 and the 4 is 14. 1 and a 4. Now we have a blue Peppa Pig with white and black eyes. Blue. Turn it into 15. 1 and 5 makes 15. Put 1 and 5 down. Now we have a pink Peppa Pig. Pink. turn it into
Sticks and stones will all fall down. My
16.
fair lady, build it up
Ah.
with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay.
And
Build it
a
up with wood
yellow
and clay,
Peppa
my
Pig
fair
with
lady.
white and black eyes. 2 eyes. Yellow. Turn it into 17.
Wood and clay
Put the
will
1
wash
down
away,
and put the
wash
7 down.
away,
That makes
wash
17.
away.
Now we have a red Peppa Pig. Turn it into 18. Put 1 and 8 makes 18. So 1 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.